Hey, happy first day of spring. It is so beautiful here in Folsom, California. So I thought that I would take the painting outside and go out in nature and look for something to paint before it gets too hot. So come on with me. Okay, here we are in the garden and I have the place almost all the way to myself. There's somebody over there doing a little weed eating, but I got a nice chair set up here and I'm gonna just get the camera set up and everything that I need to paint is in my pockets. So, sketchbook, water pen, and little tiny palette. So let's get started. Okay, so hopefully you can see all this. I'm using a teeny tiny little watercolor sketchbook by Blue Pine Arts. And I have this little bitty sketchbook, or little bitty palette. And it's got magnets that hold it together, which are right here like this, right? And then when you open up your sketchbook, you can lay this way. And there's a clip like this. You take that clip right here where there's a dent. You can, if you have a big enough clip, you can actually clip it around the outside of your book so that everything is right there, all in one hand. You don't have to mess around with it. And then here's my water pen. If you haven't used one of these, the barrel here, you fill it up with water. And this is a nice one that has a nice lid. And it's, if you give it a little squeeze, the water flows out onto the paint or in the palm of your hand or whatever you want. Okay, I realize you might be watching me sideways, but I'm doing the best I can on this outside. So I'm going to just get started. I'm going to juice up my yellow here, and this is a nice place to have this little mixing palette right here for you to blend your colors on. And if you ever need to rinse, you can go like this and actually just kind of squeeze some water in your hand if you did not bring any kind of rinsing cup and get most of it out. But since it's just fun sketching, I'm not too worried about having it look perfect, but that's just a thought of what you can do. Here's a little bit of red. I'm trying to make myself some nice orange here. All right, I saw a lot of poppies out here today, and I thought that'd be kind of a fun thing to sketch. So here we go. We're going to give this a try. I'm not used to this kind of water pen because, again, I'm a studio painter, so I don't go out very often and paint in nature. One thing I have learned so far from this is that next time I'll bring a cup of water because I prefer to have my brush a little bit more rinsed than what I can do by rinsing it out in the palm of my hand. But that's how you figure it out. You just go out and try it. A little bit more color in these guys. And I'm going to call this one done. So here we go. Let's turn it the right direction for you. And there's my little painting.